All right, guys, so right now on a very tight and narrow on both sides, try to get this shit lined up. What's good, y'all? It's Exclusive here with another trucking video. Today is Wednesday, August 5th. It is currently 9:16. We are about to go and pull up into the yard, the Cicero yard, BNSF yard, to pick up an empty. And I believe this is going to be a drop and hook, so we'll get paid for the empty move. And the shipper, the customer needs empties, and that's another thing too. That's the reason why we're grabbing this. I'm not exactly sure. This might be a live load. I'm not sure, but either way, get some good money today. We're taking this to McKinley. I don't exactly know where to grab an empty from. I'm just basically going to try my luck. You know what? I should try some of these. Some of these might be empties. Something's telling me to just try these ones right here. I'm gonna just try it. These might be empty right here. I think last time I was looking for an empty, I came over here. So let's see if we can find one over here. Oh, all of these are empties, because none of them have seals. Cool. Well, that works out. Just gonna go with the one with the more recent inspection. Let's see, 526. 726, that one has something on it. I'm gonna go with this one all the way to the end. I'm gonna check the back real quick. Pretty sure it's an empty, but just gotta make sure. Tires look good. Yeah, this is an empty. This tire kind of looks. All right, we're taking this empty. All right. This is a very busy street, y'all. Alright. It's been a little while since we came over here for a load. I almost forgot. I thought we were doing a drop and hook, but we got a live load today, y'all. Making that money. $64.11, $59.31. Yeah. At the bottom. Got it? Got it. All right. He told me to go. We're going in the door 12. What is this guy doing? He's backing up out of the entrance. All right, we're going to 12. We're going to door 12. Hold on, I'm gonna move my camera back in. All right, guys, so right now, I'm a very tight and narrow on both sides. Try to get this shit lined up. Up. Move the mirror because I can't fucking see. All right, there we go. All right, now I just gotta go straight back. So now, we just gotta wait. We just gotta wait. But from here, we're going to McKinley. Forget how many miles McKinley is. Oh wait, no. Oh, they gave us this is a different load. They switched the load out. So we're going back to Georgia Pacific. They gave us a different load from earlier. It confused the hell out of me because I'm looking at this shit like, nah, this is different. So yeah, it's another 200 miles plus the live load. All right, guys, so we are loaded now, and we're headed back to scale again. That's a pin. You got a pin? Appreciate it. I appreciate it. All right, so we got loaded. Got to put this paperwork in, and then we're headed to Georgia Pacific. But yeah, this week is going to be good for money because there's going to be another 200 miles, and we just got a live load, so that's good money right there. All right, guys, drop this load. I'm gonna wait a little bit, eat, take this 30-minute break, and then go from there. All right, guys, so we are here at Georgia Pacific. We're dropping this load off. It's raining right now. You know, it is 3:54 right now. I'm taking my break. Show you guys where we at for pay. You know, that's where we're at right now. This is after, I would just say after 3 days because we haven't completed today yet. Shoot, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's kind of blurry, but yeah, so we're gonna end the week because we're doing 400 miles today, and we'll probably do another 400 miles tomorrow. We're already at so after we drop this, we're at 1400, and then we're about to do another 200. We're gonna be at the end of the day today, we're gonna be at 1270 plus 1270 plus 400. That'll put us at 1600 miles for the day after we're done for today, because it's 200 miles to where we're at, and then another 200 miles back. And then tomorrow, hopefully we get the same mileage, and we'll end the week with 2,000 miles, and I'm estimating that our gross will be somewhere around 18 or 1900 gross for this week. So that's pretty good. It's not outstanding, but it's solid. It's definitely solid. With something like that, I could probably end up with, after taxes and everything, probably end up with like 14 or 1500 after taxes. Anything that's 1500 and up is solid for me. You know, anything under 1500 is like, it's below average. You know what I'm saying? Like, at least 1500, you're making 1500 a week. You know what I'm saying? 1500, that's decent with these times right now in trucking as it is today. But I'm gonna end the video now. Appreciate you guys for tuning in to another exclusive trucking vlog. I'm gonna keep them coming every day, but yeah, just keep checking in, you know, and let me know in the comments where you guys are from. If you guys stayed this long, if you guys watched this long into the video, let me know where you guys are located and the type of trucking that you guys do. You know what I'm saying? But with that being said, stay exclusive. Peace.